Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, January the 9th. The time is around 4:45 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of oil. This is a 60 minutes chart. Um, Now we saw this pretty strong sell-off in oil in the past 24 hours. This came after the attack by Iran to the US military base. The initial spikes after the news of the attack was completely being faded and then completely reversed to the downside. Okay, so it's pretty spectacular drop here. It's almost 10% here within a span of 24 hours. All right, so we can see the pullback here looks impulsive on the structure, suggesting that unless it is some sort of a flat from here, something like an ABC, unless it is a flat, expanded flat, then that suggests that this impulsive decline is only in the first leg, at least of further downside, right. So we are calling this impulsive move to the downside to end with A. Okay, and we are calling the rally here to 65.6 as a wave 1, and then we should be looking for some sort of an ABC structure here in which we're going to be ending only the first leg with A. Okay, and then once the wave A ends, which is technically we have already hit the area in which it could end potentially, right? And if it ends, then we should be looking for a bounce before another leg lower again in the C leg, as long as the bounce stays below the peak we got from yesterday. Okay, so overall then, due to the impulsive structure to the downside, we're still looking for at least another leg lower. Now if I look at it from the larger degree, this is the daily. Okay, so let's see where in the daily what the daily view is. So this is the one here, okay, that you saw in the 1 hour. So that is suggesting that this entire rally is counted as a wave 1, and then now we could be doing an ABC type of correction, all right, in the wave 2 before possibly turning higher again. Now that will be in the forecast, but if we just look at it from the larger degree, to be honest, at this point oil is sideways. It's been sideways in a big range since April 2019, right? So we are in a range between this high 66 and this low 50, right? We have not really broken outside of that range, and until we really actually break above this high here, which is 66.6, at some point I was thinking that probably we have a chance to break this, but no, it starts to turn lower again without breaking above here. So that means it's not yet confirmed that the bulls are in control here. Only a break above this one is going to suggest that the bulls are in control and that the next leg higher has already started. And if it can break above here, we're going to be extending higher to the next 100% extension, which is around $75. But we have not, so technically we still do not yet have any confirmation. Now besides, if you look at it, this structure here is a very messy structure, to be honest, very messy. It doesn't look impulsive. I mean, the way you want to call it, this is with one, has to be very complex correction here from here. This looks like like a, can be called like a running flat, which is a complex correction. So I think overall, on the larger degree, the count is not, the structure is not really a nice structure yet. And really, even though this is what the forecast is, calling for another leg lower and potentially rally again, but the fact that we have not broken above here, in fact, is not yet giving us the confirmation. Regardless, I think what we can at least from the shorter point of view, right? Shorter cycle point of view, at least what we can sort of conclude here is that the decline looks impulsive. Okay, so therefore, as far as the pound stays below here, okay, then we got a chance for oil to do another push lower within the C leg to the downside to finish at least some sort of an ABC correction from the peak. Okay, so that's what we got in oil. And if you like our channel, please do like and subscribe the video and the channel. And we have 14 days free trial as well. If you like to check our service, I will provide the link of the free trial in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.